Life has gotten in the way. From new puppy dogs taking out developers' time to, well, I hate to say it, paid work that pays a lot more than maybe video game development. Life has gotten in the way. So we need to pivot and change our project so that we can, you know, hopefully make some of the students that are asking me, hey, we want to play your game, please make it, and keep them happy. All right, so what ended up happening, because we scaled things down, is I ended up having to play Not a Hero and just getting some ideas for how to put a game together within, I don't know, less than 60 days now. And that was simple enough that maybe it could be multiplayer, maybe it's not. And I started going with Not Hero because it's kind of cartoony violence because it's pixel, so it's not like horrific. And the controls are pretty simple to like implement. As you can tell, like you basically tackle a person, shoot them, and then there's a cover element. And what's kind of cool about the cover element, you just hide behind and the color just changes, right? But basically, again, the other thing that's really cool is you can tell that if I don't get too close, the person can't see me. But if I get too close, they totally can see me. All right. So that's the thing right there. I love the sound too and stuff like that. You're seeing like how these things work. Again, I've been doing this because I'm playing this game. I used to play this game a lot. And then grab this stuff. And then blow it up. Whoa. All right. So, hey, I killed. Oh, son of a. All right, there you go. Reload and grab on to Bunny Lord. All right. So what I ended up doing is like I started basing a simple state machine from garbage, and you can see it right there. If I don't put a link to them right off the bat, and I basically went with a simple enum state machine to basically recreate Not a Hero as best as I can. Why am I doubled up so much? All right, so that's what you can see right here. Now the other things I did too is I added like cover, even though I don't have cover in there yet. So just way I can actually create the system overall that you just saw in the Not a Hero. Hope this video is not boring in any way. All right, okay, so let's see what it looks like in the level. The other thing that was cool that I got from garbage is that in debug, I put debug mode so you can actually see the collision shapes. And that's what I got right here. So the cool thing is the first one, as you can see, is not show. Push these guys out of the way so they don't fire. Push, 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 push. I guess you just be player, right? He doesn't see me, but the moment I get too close, bam, he starts to like aim his gun. And then if I jump over, see he's out of the range. Okay. And then the cool thing again, see if I'm in range, the player doesn't shoot, or sorry, the bot doesn't try to shoot me. But if I get too close, it'll fire. So what this will mean is that there is a distance range, just like in Not a Hero. And then there is a like, you know, targeting the player. This means that when I'm out of this range, jump. Okay. I can potentially sneak up on this character and then do what I need to do. Now the other thing, there's a hitbox already, but there's like things a little buggy. We've already got the slide stuff in. So we'll just see where this goes. And again, it's not just to copy, but this is gonna be different enough. Hopefully adding multiplayer and stuff like that, but we'll see what happens. So that is the vlog. Hope this has been visually interesting with all the terrible clips. Good luck on your projects. Bye.